Have you ever gone to the grocery store and thought, how do I ask for bread in English? Or, what do I say to the shopkeeper? Don't worry. Today, I'll teach you exactly what to say in simple English. From asking for rice, milk, and fruits to paying at the counter, you'll learn real conversations that you can use every day. So grab your shopping basket and let's start speaking English at the grocery store together. Scene 1. Entering the store.
Hello. Good afternoon. Is this the right place to buy fresh groceries?
Good afternoon. Yes, welcome to Fresh Mart. It's Monday, a busy but perfect shopping time. How can I assist you today?
Oh, wonderful. I'm new here and need groceries for the week.
Great to have you. Our store has everything fresh today. Do you have a shopping list to start with?
Yes, I do. I need tomatoes, carrots, apples, and maybe some other things.
Nice plan. Let's head to the vegetable section first. Follow me, please.
Thanks. How can I tell which vegetables are fresh?
Good question. Look for bright colors and firm textures. Let me show you. These are ripe and red. Perfect for today.
Oh, I get it. I'll take 5 tomatoes. Are they local?
Yes, they're from a farm nearby. Supports local growers. Anything else from your list?
Yes, let's start with that. I'll follow you.
Scene 2. Asking for items and prices.
Excuse me, Mr. Peter. Do you have organic carrots?
Yes, we do. They're right over here. How many would you like today?
Can I have 3, please? How much do they cost?
They're $2 each, so $6 for 3. Would you like to add more?
That's okay for now. What about apples? Do you have different types?
Yes, we have red, green, and golden apples. Red ones are $1.50 each, green ones are $1.70, and golden ones are $1.60. Which do you prefer?
Hmm, I'll try the red ones. Are they sweet? I like sweet apples.
Yes, they're very sweet. You'll enjoy them. How many would you like?
I'll take 4, please. What else should I get for a healthy week?
Maybe some spinach or bread. Spinach is $1 per bunch and bread is in the bakery. Want to check?
Yes, spinach sounds good. Let's go to the bakery too.
Scene 3. Comparing and choosing.
Wow, so many options. There's white bread, brown bread, and even gluten-free. Which is best?
Brown bread is healthier with more fiber. It's $3 a loaf. White is $2.50, and gluten-free is $4. Which fits your needs?
I'll go with brown bread. Can I see it before buying?
Of course. Hands her a loaf. Check the texture and smell.
It feels nice. I'll take one. What about milk? Any suggestions?
We have regular milk at $2 a liter, low fat at $2.20, and almond milk at $3. Which do you usually drink?
I like low fat. Can I have 2 liters? Is it fresh?
Yes, it's from this morning's delivery. I'll get that for you. Want eggs too?
Yes, please. How many come in a pack and how much are they?
We have 6 packs for $2 and 12 packs for $3.50. The 12 pack is a better value.
Good point. I'll take the 12-pack. Anything else I should consider?
Maybe some cheese? It's $4 for 200 grams. Up to you.
Yes, that sounds tasty. I'll take 200 grams.
Scene 4. At the checkout.
Okay, I think I'm done. How much is my total?
Let's add it up. That's $5 for tomatoes, $6 for carrots, $6 for apples, $3 for bread, $4.40 for milk, $3.50 for eggs, and $4 for cheese. The total is $31.90.
Oh, that's a bit high. Can I pay with a card?
Yes, we accept all cards. Please insert it into the machine.
Okay, done. Do I need to enter a PIN?
Yes, please enter your PIN now. Thank you. Your receipt is printing. Keep it safe.
Thanks. What if I forget my PIN or lose the card?
Call your bank at 1-800-555-CARD to reset or report it. Always check your statement too.
Good to know. Can I get a bag for this?
Yes, but we charge 10 cents for plastic. Bring a reusable bag next time to save money. Scene 5. Leaving with tips.
This was fun and easy. Any more shopping tips?
Happy you enjoyed it. Check expiration dates and shop early for the best picks. Do you check dates now?
Not always, but I will from now on. What about saving money?
Use our loyalty card. Spend $50, get $5 off. Want to join?
Yes, please. How does it work?
Give me your phone number and I'll sign you up. Done! You're at $31.90 now.
Awesome. What if I need help next time?
Just ask any staff. We're here daily from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Bring your list.
Great. Thanks for all the help. Bye, Mr. Peter.
Bye, Emma. Shop with us again soon. Great job, friends! Today, you learned how to talk in English at the grocery store. Next time you go shopping, try these phrases. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Global English Guide for more useful lessons. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and keep practicing.